Made S-400 defense system was used to neutralize the 15 missile Pakistan fired at the Indian cities last night and early this morning. Also, Israeli Harpy drones were then deployed to disable the Pakistan air defense radars, including one in the Lahore, said the sources on Thursday. Also, the S-400 system at the moving target have been shot heading towards the India last night, and that these targets were successfully neutralized by India. India then employed the Harpy drones, and earlier today the government said that the Pakistani forces have targeted the military installation in 15 cities including Jammu and Kashmir. These attempts were all negated and the Pakistan air defense system was tarnished and disabled. We are been collecting the debris for the future evidence supporting India's charges that the Pakistan support the cross-border terrorism targeting India. Also, attempts by the Pakistan to target the Indian military facilities comes a day after the Operation Sindoor that happened due to the April 2022, also the Pahalgam attack that killed 26 people. Also, 9 terror bases in the Pakistan and the preoccupied Kashmir were destroyed and over 100 terrorists were killed, the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh told the opposition leaders at a briefing this morning. Harpy drones, the Harpy that is designed to attack radar system and is optimized to operate a suppression of the enemy air defenses or SEAD role. It also carries high explosive warhead and has a special radar that can autonomously seek and strike radiation emitting the high value targets. Specifically, it can also track and eliminate targets within a designated area. It does this by locating frequencies and then strike for the almost any direction, whether shallow or steep. Also, the profiles, the Harpy operates in the deep strike or day or night mission for up to 9 hours. The S-400 missile defense system, the S-400 missile system, also dubbed as India as the Sudarshan Chakra, can track inbound missiles from 600 kilometers away and can intercept these targets within a 400 kilometer range. Also, India and Russia has signed a deal worth rupees 35,000 crores for 5 squadrons of the S-400, of which 3 have been delivered and the other 2 are expected by